Hey y'all, I don't know about you, if you've been like me, you've been using this old style welding helmet. Now the kind you gotta constantly flip up and down to see where you're gonna weld at, put it back down, fall off your head. No, it'll be a bit of pain. But if you're like me, you wait too long to get auto darkening helmet, which costs $100. It's a brand new I'll show you here in a minute. I put maybe 2 hours on it. What a world of difference. I didn't have to flip up and down. It's a green screen. You put it on there, no flash in your eyes or nothing. But you see a little black spot there. I think some slag got into it somehow. But anyways, $100 versus what? I think $20 for one of those old ones. I've saved so many hours, no flipping up and down, just keep going at it. I first used it on this whole floor here. Don't mind the workmanship. I'm a novice. But if you want to save yourself a headache, you don't think $100 means anything. It adds up. It does pay for itself. Ain't that right, Mittens? Thank y'all for watching. Lord loves you.